Teams are Microsoft's software solution for collaborative teamwork and communication. But if you notice that your chat messages are not loading or showing up and an error message appears something like this, here are some methods that you can attempt to do to fix the issue. Now, the first method that you can try is to check if you're connected to the internet just by looking on the right side of your taskbar. Then you have to see if you're just having a poor internet connection by checking your modem, and you can also try restarting it. Next, you can try opening your Microsoft Teams, sign out of your Teams account by clicking on your profile picture, and then select Sign Out. After this, close Microsoft Teams, restart your computer, sign in back again with your account, and see if the issue is fixed. But if that did not work, you can try running disk cleanup on your device. You can do that by searching disk cleanup on your Start menu, select the drive where Teams is located, clear the temporary internet files, and then click OK. Now the idea for this is to clear all cache on your device. Aside from that, you can also try repairing the Microsoft Teams application by right-clicking on the Start menu, click Apps and Features, and locate or search for Microsoft Office. Then, click Modify, and you can either select Quick Repair or Only Repair from the window. Try to select Repair and see if that option helps. Now your last resort is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams. In uninstalling your Microsoft Teams, you should go to your Start menu, search for Microsoft Teams, right-click on it, and then select Uninstall. After this, restart your computer and download the application on the website again. And those are the possible methods that you can try if your Microsoft Teams chat messages is not showing up on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.